Good evening, everybody. How are you? Richie Williams here, your Simple Effects Senior Mentor and Coach. Welcome to your week ahead review. I hope you've all had a fantastic weekend and looking forward to getting back to it on Monday. I know I am. First and foremost, I'd just like to remind everyone of the room rules. I understand that people are busy and they've got work commitments. But guys, listen, don't be ignorant in the room. I know we picked it up again on Friday and things improved, but just for future reference, it's just acknowledge, just a thumbs up is fine. The only time I don't want you to respond is during the live sessions when we turn red and it clogs things up. But any other time, just say hello, put a thumbs up, let me know you've seen the message. That's all I ask, guys. It's really frustrating when I see a load of people they've seen the message and not even responding. The room's very quiet. Remember, it's there for you to ask questions. If we don't get back to you straight away, somebody will at some point. All right, fantastic. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening this week. So first, let's have a little look at last week. So as you can see here, Euro and the yen were the biggest winners of the week. The euro making serious ground against the dollar, as did the yen. Kiwi did okay as well. For some reason, the dollar picked up against the CAD. It must have been a weak oil, but dollar did okay against the CAD. But everyone else, yeah, Kiwi lost out to the dollar, sorry, and so did the Aussie. But yeah, euro strong, yen strong. Now, my trade call last week was for a stronger pound. We didn't get that. It made a bit of a recovery. A lot of noise around Brexit, but I see it being a better week for the pound. So my trade call is still going to be to buy the pound versus the dollar this week. Let's have a look at the calendar. Okay, so Monday looks quiet. Draghi speaking. Let's make sure we've gone through the settings on this, on the filter. Let's have a look. Okay, filter results. See what Monday looks like now. Yeah, very quiet. So the ECB is the only one really to go at. There's a little bit of this in the morning, London Open, so pretty much we'll focus on that. So it'll be a quiet day tomorrow, folks. RBA meeting minutes on Tuesday, early doors. We might have a look at that. Let me know if you want to do a live session for that, folks, and maybe we'll take a look at that. And then early morning, EU Financial Stability Report. Another speech by RBA, Governor Philip Lowe. Yeah, so we've got some UK data. We'll have a live session here. And then Yellen's speech on the night. That'll be interesting. Okay, so the fact that she's speaking, we may well throw that in with that and see what that brings. And then we've got the Chicago Fed in the afternoon. Wednesday, yeah, ECB minutes. That'll be interesting. This is jobless claim. Durable goods. And then the big one on Wednesday night. So definitely got a big live session on for that one, because that's the FOMC. So that will be Yellen. The minutes will be released, so we'll get an indication of what's going on around this this Fed hike coming in December. All eyes will be on that this week, trust me. Then we got a half decent day on Thursday. Fair bit to go up there. ECB again. A little bit on the night time for the Kiwi. Yeah, we'll meet up for that. It's not too late, 9:45. Friday's looking okay for the US session. A little bit to go out in the morning, so be a fair bit of profit taking there. Can you believe we're on the 24th of November already? Good God. Okay. So what else is going on in the world news? Okay, Trump's. Okay, right. So, Finance Minister Hammond, we are on the brink of a serious progress in Brexit talks. UK to make proposals to the EU in time for the December Council meeting. This will be deemed as really good news, guys. So I do see this supports my buying the pound theory. So that'll give us a nice little boost for the week, I think. What else is there? Not much else. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of the world. What's going on? So yeah, there you can see sort of 4 hour. Yeah, Aussie weakness there, Kiwi weakness there, CAD weakness, but fell off at the end. Pounds pulling back, Euro still ripper strong. Swiss franc pulling against the dollar. Yen, wow, look how strong that is. And then the pound's weak against the euro, but I think that'll change. So we're looking to buy here and sell here. Pound against the yen is also weak. So the yen was ripper strong. Let's take a look at the dollar. So on the 4 hour, the dollar is finding some buyers, but we see this at the end. So dollar weakening there. It's probably the other business about the tax reforms. That's probably why it's dropping off. Uncertainty there. We'll watch this in the week when the Fed come out, see what they say. Okay, let's look at the euro. Look at that. Big rise there. And it dropped again. So what did it drop? 50 points. Almost 100 points drop there. Yeah. So 118 is major psychological level here. So should it rise, this is probably where it's going to bounce. And should it fall, maybe here, and then here. I know this because of these guys, okay, resistance lines and support lines. So probably a fall to there. So what's this? So 6 to 20, 40, 60, 81, 120. Let's confirm that. No, it's 10 points. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 60 point range there. Let's have a look. Let's zoom out a bit more. On 1 hour. Yeah, so here's our price range. Here and here. If it falls, then we're looking down here. Let's have a look at the pound. Similar story. Okay, range, it's been there, look. Between here and here. 250 point price range here. Yeah, so Okay, so I am thinking there. Let's put a trend line there. So from there, yeah, not far off 100 pips in there. So that's where I think it's going to go. And then, yeah, I'm bullish on this. So we'll look to get on that. Okay, plenty of stuff going on this week. Let's have a quick look at don't forget to fill this in for me, guys, please. Takes 2 seconds. Events, see what we got going on. Fed minutes. Yeah, so I'll pop some more live session in there because we have got a bit to go at, guys. So I'll pop a few more in there. All right, I think that's about it. I'll drop this into your room shortly. Any questions, come back to me. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I can't wait to get back. I've been a bit bored, to be honest. I've missed it. I had a half decent week last week. I had about 228 pips. Only traded 3 days. So put your results in there, guys. Get your results in. And I'll see you in the room. All right, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.